वेलकम टू रोहिला स्टेनो क्लासेस। आपका डिक्टेशन शुरू होगा 3 सेकंड बाद। स्टार्ट। मिस्टर वाइस चेयरमैन सर द प्लांटेशंस लेबर बिल 1973 was introduced in the Rajya Sabha on the 6th March 1973 stop. Then it was referred to a joint committee of both the houses, and this joint committee submitted its report in 1975 stop. Now we are discussing this bill today after 6 years of the submission of the report by the joint committee stop. Hence the bill would not be able to deal with the present day expectations of the workers of the plantations stop. The original act in regard to the plantations labor namely the act of 1951 itself provided various welfare measures for the plantations labor stop, but unfortunately the planters nonchalantly violated all these provisions for welfare measures. Stop para. The main question therefore is the question of implementation of the provisions of the act stop. Mere amendments will not improve the position stop. There is no provision in the present bill also as to how these measures these provisions can be implemented and what the government is thinking in terms of implementing these provisions stop. In most cases even the government officials who are deputed for the purpose of inspecting the gardens they themselves side with the planters stop. If government officers themselves side with the planters where is the remedy? Sign of interrogation. Hence we should devise ways and means and adopt measures so that the provisions which are made in the act and the bill the present bill are implemented properly. Stop para. Sir the provisions in the present bill fall short of the expectations of the working population in the plantations stop. In the present bill it has been suggested that the acreage of the plantations in regard to which this act will be applied will be reduced to 5 hectares stop. But this is also not sufficient because under this also the owners the planters will take shelter and many of the plantations will still remain uncovered stop. This should be further reduced to 2.5 hectares stop. So far as compensation for house collapse is concerned it has been said here that if the occupant of a house is directly responsible for the collapse he will not be entitled to compensation stop. Under this provision sir the employers will take shelter and deprive many workers of getting compensation stop. Sir it is known to everybody that the plantation industry is the biggest foreign exchange earning industry stop. दोस्तों यदि डिक्टेशन अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन अवश्य दबा दें ताकि लेटेस्ट वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक तुरंत पहुंच सके।